In this video, I will show you how you can install macOS 15 aka macOS Sequoia on any unsupported Mac model through OpenCore Legacy Patcher app. For the installation of macOS Sequoia, there are few important things that you should know before installing it. First, you have to back up all your data as this installation can lead to the permanent erase of your hard disk. Second, you should have a pen drive of at least 16 gigs or you can have a pen drive of 32 gigs so that the installation of the macOS Sequoia can take place. Third, this installation is taking place on your own risk. Fourth and the last point is that you should keep patience. Now let's begin the video. Then select Create macOS Installer option. Then click on Download macOS Installer. Then click on the macOS 15 Sonoma and click on the blue download icon. It will download the macOS installer on your computer. It will take almost 2 hours depending upon the speed of your net. When the download is completed, it will ask for a pen drive. You have to connect a pen drive of at least 16 gigs and you have to erase all the data from it. When the bootable installer is made, then it will ask you to build OpenCore on that disk. So click on build. And then select your pen drive. It will take 2 minutes. And done. You have to restart your computer. When it beeps, you have to click on Alt key. Then select the OpenCore icon. Then you have to click on macOS Sequoia installer. You have to click on Install macOS Sequoia. Then you have to select your hard disk on which you have to install, and it will take almost 2 hours depending upon the speed of your Macintosh. While installing the macOS Sequoia, your computer will be booted 6 to 7 times. Then you have to complete the setup as this is a clean install of macOS. when the setup is completed, you have to click on open core and then check for the post install root patches. If it is installed, you are good. If it is not installed, click on install root patches and you have to wait for 2 minutes, and then you have to reboot your computer, and after the reboot your computer will be successfully running macOS Sequoia smoothly. This is how you can download macOS Sequoia on any unsupported Mac model with the help of OpenGo. So if you like my video, click on like button and subscribe to my channel for all these video content. Thanks for watching.